Students, today we are going to new lessons I am teaching. Okay students, when you possess light within, you see it externally. What is called light is means, so every places sun of day to daylight and moon night light. So we have to put in our tube light, so bulb. So everyone power of that light is very important. So I always looking that objects, any objects, any beautiful flowers. So we have everybody light is importance. Okay students, when you possess light within, you see it is externally. Very good. Today I am teaching topic about optics. Okay, today now only topic optics. Light is a form of energy which travels in the form of waves. Okay, the birth of light is called ray of light, and group of this ray is called beam of light. Okay student, any object which gives out light are termed as source of light. Some of source of emit their own light, and they are called luminous object. Okay students, then only, so light is every both waves it is travel to any brightness. Okay students, when any of the brightness, so you can't see the pictures, everybody. So light is looking that other object. So today we are going to topic about properties of light. Properties of light, it is a form of energy. Light, it is a form of energy. Light always travel along the straight line. Light does not need any medium of propagation. It can even travel the vacuum. So that is meaning of vacuum vettidum. Okay, the speed of light vacuum of your is ck free into power of light. C centimeters equal to 3 into 10 power of 8 meter second power of -1. Okay, second one, wavelength of lambda. C is equal to V lambda. Different colored light has different wavelength and frequency. When light is incident on their interface between, okay, interference between two medias, partly reflected and partly refracted. So partly reflected and refracted. Okay students, then only law of refraction. So two laws of refraction, first law of refraction and second law of refraction. So first law of refraction, the incident ray, the refracted of light and normal of refracting surface all lie in the same plane. Okay, second law of refraction, the ratio is sine of the angle of incidence and sin of the angle of refraction is equal to the ratio of refractive indices of the two medias. This is law also known as Snell's law. Okay, Snell's law. Okay, second law of refraction provided to Snell's law. Next one, refraction of a composite light, dispersion of light. This is how when passing through a prism. Dispersion of light, white light, examples of white light, happens when it is split into the 7 constituent colors. So 7 constituent colors, Warneville. Okay, so prism, Warneville, so 7 constituents of colors. All colors included, different colors, different wavelength, experience different degrees of deviation, and hence when put through refraction, split into these constituents colors. Then only Scattings of colors. What is scattings of colors? Sunlight enters the earth atmosphere. The atoms and molecules of different gases present in the atmosphere refract the light in all possible direction. This is called as scattering of light. When sunlight enter the earth atmospheres, so that is incident light. So incident light is power of the scattered light. Okay students, atoms and molecules of different gases present in the atmospheres. So more gases include that atmospheres. So oxygen, nitrogen, argons. So three elements including that's air. So the atmospheres, so more elements in the present of gas. Okay, this is called as scattering of light. Types of scatterings: elastic scatterings, inelastic scatterings, Rayleigh scattering, Rayleigh scattering law, my scattering, Tyndall scattering, Raman scattering. So this topic is very important. We have to elastic scattering, incident beam of light and scattered beam of light same, then called elastic scattering. Okay, inelastic scattering, incident beam of light and scattered beam of light not same, that is called as inelastic scattering. So inelastic scatterings produced the Rayleigh scattering, Rayleigh scattering, Tyndall scattering, Raman scattering. Rayleigh scattering, the scattering sunlight by the atoms or molecules of the gases in the earth atmosphere known as the Rayleigh scattering. Rayleigh scattering law, amount of scattering S alpha 1 by lambda power of 4. Okay, that the power of it is wavelength. Scattering laws, the amount of scattering light inversely proportional to the fourth power of it is wavelength. My scattering takes place when the diameters of the scattered is similar to or longer than the wavelength of the incident light. Is also the elastic scatterings. The amount of scattering is independent of wavelength. So Rayleigh scattering, amount of fourth power of wavelength, and scattering independent of wavelength. Then one all Tyndall scattering. Tyndall scatterings. So beam of sunlight entered to the dusty room through a window. Then it is both becomes visible to us. This becomes the tiny dust particles present in the air of the room scattered the beam of light. The examples of Tyndall scattering. Okay students, the scattering light rays by the colloid particles into the colloidal solution is called the Tyndall scatterings or Tyndall effect. Raman scatterings, when the pearl beam of monochromatic, that is meanings of single colored, monochromatic meanings of single colored light passes through a gas or liquid or transparent solid. Part of the light rays are scattered. Raman scattering defined the interaction of light rays with the particles of pure liquids, transparent solids, which leads to the change in wavelength of frequency. That is called as Raman scatterings. Then only lenses. What is lenses? Lenses it is a optically transparent medium bounded by the two spherical refracting surfaces on one plane and one spherical surface. That is two lenses importance in our objects. More objects include the two lenses, convex lens and concave lens. So convex biconvex lens and concave or biconcave lens. So same name. Okay, it is a convex lens. Convex lens passes through focus on right side. Concave lens passes through focus on left side. Ray parallel to principal axis will passes through focus. So right side focus convex and concave lenses left side focus. Then only uses of convex lens. Convex lens uses the body which light and contains all mechanical parts. The lens which the convex, the film or changed couple device in the cause of digital camera, human eyes, spectacles, view mirrors, microscope, telescopes, so including that convex lens. Okay, then concave lens, the concave lens taper inwards at the center. Concave lens called diverging lens, that is called as concave lens. Okay, concave lens. Wait, no. That is uses for concave lenses included classes for near-sighted lens. So this means of lens refracts lights away from the single points. Away from the single points. That is called as concave lens. Concave lens including that more usings of concave lens. Concave lens used as Galilean telescope. Galilean telescope, it is including this concave lens. Vision called myopia, the including this concave lens. Okay, concave lens formula, that is called 1 by f is equal to 1 by b plus 1 by u. Okay, u is equal to distance of the images, v is equal to focal length, f is equal to lens. Okay students, then only sign convections. So sign convections, concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirrors, that is a focal length of concave mirror is always negative. Convex lens focal length of convex mirror is always positive. Okay, positive and negatives. Concave negatives, focal length negatives, and convex mirrors focal length of mirrors is always positives. These pictures we have look and observe, so that is understand that pictures ma. Then only m is equal to magnification of a lens. Magnification of a lens mirrors spherical lenses. Spherical lenses produce magnification and defined as a ratio highest of the images to the height of an object. That is called as magnification of lenses. So magnification is equal to height of images by height of the object. Height of the images and highest of the object, that is called a height by height. Height dash by height, that is the magnetic force of lens. Distance of the images, distance of the object is equal to v by u. Distance of the images and distance of the object v by u. Lens maker formula, that is lens maker formula. All lenses made transparent materials, optically refractive index. The images makers lens knowledge of ready of curvatures lens is required. Maker formula such as equations 1 of is equal to mu minus 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, that is called as lens maker formula. Then only convex lens and concave lens differentiate. Convex lens thicker, middle than edge. Okay, concave lens thicker, middle than at edge. It is coverage lens, it is diverging lens. Converging lens, converging lens and diverging lens. It is produced mostly real images. It is produced virtual images. It is used to treat hypermetropia. It is used to treat myopia. Then only human eye. Structures of human eye. that is people's the eyeball is approximately spherical in shape with a diameter of about 2.3 centimeter. It is consists that membrane called sclera, which products in the internal parts of the eye. Important parts of the human eye are more importance of the human size, ciliary body, sclera, retina, optics rigs, lens, cornea, iris, pupils, though that is called as human size. Defects in eye, myopia. Myopia, that's its pictures. We have to observe myopia. Myopia is also known as sightness occur to the lengthening of eyeball. With its defect in nearby objects. There's only hypermetropia. Vision with hypermetropia, corrected visions with convex lens. F is equal to DD minus D minus D. So, concave lens and microscope and telescopes. Microscope uses of the jewelers. Observes the flowers, the usings of microscope, small sizes and big sizes view it. Okay, then only telescope space research, research the man it is was using to telescopes camera attached, camera photographs, attached with telescopes instrument. Okay, thank you students, thank you to all.